Show you guys when I put the pollen patty back on. So really quick, gonna take the roof off. Bees are starting to come up. I want them to have a pollen patty on both, on the up and bottom. I like these. These are those Bee Pro patties I get from Man Lake. My bees seem to like these a lot. I got the Ultra Bee patties. I think I have a few of those left. They seem to be taking this one down more. I'm going to check on my splits over there next week when I open those up, and I'll do a video and see how those have been taken down compared to these. It seems like these bees have really eaten. I haven't checked in this hive or that hive how much of the patty was gone. And I always just take the paper off of one side. I leave the paper on the other side. And I keep these in the freezer. So all I'm going to do, and when you put these on, try not to smash your bees. I just put it right here in the middle. See all the bees that are coming up already? Here, I'll show you really quick here. See them all coming to the top already? It's only been about 10 minutes, 15 minutes since I put that box on. They're all working their way up. So I just take the patty, I put it right in the middle. Don't take your patty, just stick it right on top of your bees, because it will smash them. I accidentally did that one time. I put the bees in there, I flipped it over, and they were all like stuck on their back, like help, help, like turtles. Like a turtle on its back, that old joke. That's how the bees were. So you can see they're all coming up. So I'm going to put the lid back on carefully. Make sure the entrance is the way it's supposed to be. There. There. Now they got their pollen patty. Oh, hold on. Look. Somebody was supposed to remind me. Put the syrup feeder back on. Like I said, how many people put their hives back together and forget to take the frame holder out, put the upper entrance on upside down, forget to put the feeder on, forget a pollen patty? Me, I'm guilty. I get in a hurry like everything else. So there, now we're all set. Now we're fed. We've got pollen. We've got sugar syrup if they want it. There's new frames in there. Help draw those frames out. There's bees up in here. Now we can put the roof back on. There.